Hey folks, we're here at the Great American Outdoor Show in PA. Special guest today, we got Jeff from Kayak Loading Solutions. And Jeff, why don't you tell us what you folks got going on over here?
Well, we come out with a kayak loading system. I was getting older and it was getting harder to load and unload my kayaks. So I come up with a system that I can leave my trolling motors, batteries, whatever in my kayak, and this system will load the kayak and you don't have to touch it. It also makes it so that when you go kayaking, if you pull a camper, you can pull a camper with it, and once you get to the campground, drop your camper and you can go to the lake. It just makes it easier to load, and it's a problem that a lot of people are running into.
I love it. I mean, and you have an interesting story. You know, you come to some of these events, you get some of the big vendors, but what really attracts me to folks like you is, you know, you started this on your own. You know, give us a little backdrop. What made you start this?
Just for that simple reason. I'm 60 years old. It was just getting to be a hassle, and it was taking the enjoyment out of going kayaking because we struggled to get them up on the truck, and that's the main reason I did it.
I think we all know that feeling. You know, a bunch of us folks that go kayaking. Now you got two products. Well, you probably have more than two, but you have one at the show right now. If you can give us a little bit of a look at what you got going on over here with the loading solution, and then we'll talk about your latest product coming out, if that's okay.
Okay, this is a truck-mounted version, and it's in the up position right now for unloading. But basically, the front end comes down and sets on the headache rack on the front. And once you get to the lake, you pull your telescoping rails out in the back and you hit the winch like he just did right there, and it lets it right down and right into the water. And when you go to load up, it'll take your kayak from the water and put it right on your truck.
This is awesome. And this particular lift, this one obviously does two kayaks. Do they come in different styles?
We will have a single, but we just launched 2 weeks ago in Charleston, West Virginia, and we have to walk before we run, basically.
Absolutely.
And in June, we are coming out with a trailer-mounted version that does the exact same thing, so that if you just have an SUV or a Jeep with a hitch on it, it'll do the exact same thing.
That's awesome. And all you Jeep guys out there like myself or other truck guys that have a hitch, stay tuned for his latest product. I mean, this is going to be something I think we can all benefit from, and is long overdue in the market. So, Jeff, really want to thank you for what you guys are doing at Kayak Loading Solutions. I think it's amazing, and really love the story that you have.
Thank you very much.